So the motion graphic that you are looking right now, I created this under a minute using only one single prompt. And no, I'm not a motion graphist. I just used AI to help me create this. My name is Ali, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can vibe code videos. So I just found this amazing tool. Its name is remotion.dev. It's completely free, it's open source, and you can find it on GitHub. What it does, it lets you to make videos programmatically using React and other components. Just write a code and this will turn your code into a video or motion graphics. You can get these kind of motion graphics and videos, and you can also render them with MP4 formats. So here's a demo, and you see all of these motion graphics or videos are completely generated by code. But we are not going to write a single line of code. We're going to use AI, we're going to use Claude code, and we just give our prompt to Claude, and Claude will take care of the coding and will create this motion graphics for us. And just to show you that it is free, under the pricing it says free license. Obviously this is for personal using, but if you want to use it as a commercial or use it for your company, then you need to pay for it. Alright, in order to use Remotion and Claude code, you need to install Remotion on your project, and you need to have Claude, and you have to have access to Claude code with your Max or Pro plan. First we need to create a project, and right now I'm on my desktop, and let's create a folder. I name it Remotion Test YouTube, and you need to just give command mkdir. So this will create a folder for you. You see that we have our projects right now here. And now we need to go to this project. Now we need to give command cd remotion test YouTube, press enter. Now we are inside our folder. Now we need to install Remotion and bring up our Claude into this project. So from here, if you go to remotion.dev, you see this is how you install it. You just need to click on this, it will copy it. And let's go back to our folder and paste this here. So this is npx create video latest. This will install Remotion into our project. So let's click enter, and now it will start installing it. All right, now Remotion has been installed, and it says welcome to Remotion. And from here we can choose our template. They have a bunch of templates like hello world, and also there are some descriptions that what are these templates. But if you want to build a new project from scratch, then you need to choose blank, which says nothing, expect an empty canvas. So yeah, this is what we want, because we want to create our own project. And click on this blank, and now it asks you to add Tailwind CSS. Just click on yes, and it is asking to add agent skill. So this agent skill is all the necessary information for Claude to understand how Remotion works. So we need to also install this and bring this to our project. So click on yes again, and now it will put all this agent skill and Tailwind CSS into our folder. So now it is done. It says installed all the skills, and it also give us the summary. And now it is telling us to start by running npm install and then npm run dev to see our canvas. So now if we open this, we will see that all of these are here. So we have the agent skills, we have Claude skills, codex, cursor, Gemini, open code. But right now we are only going to use Claude, so I'm going to delete any other that. So I don't need open code, Gemini, cursor, codex. I'm just going to delete all these and only keep Claude. And inside this Claude, you will see that there's a skill folder for Remotion best practices, and it teaches the Claude how to use this app and create the best motion graphics or videos possible. All right, now if we run npm install, it will try to run it locally on our local server, our computer. All right, npm has been installed, and now if we run npm run dev, it should run Remotion Studio on our local server, maybe probably on the localhost 3000. All right, now it opens us the localhost 3001, and we should see the canvas for the Remotion, where we can edit or see our project. So yeah, this is Remotion, and right now it's empty because we don't have any project in it, but we can bring Claude to our project and prompt Claude so it can build us something. So let's close this one, we don't need it anymore. All right, now let's bring Claude to our project. Now it is asking if we want to add Claude to this project. Is it safe? Yes, I trust this folder. Now Claude is in our project. Now let's go find something that we need to create. So I was looking on Pinterest, I searched for motion graphics, and I came across this motion graphic and I liked it. So I decided to kind of rebuild this with Remotion and Claude. So we have a folder that a cursor will come to this folder, clicks, and the Spotify logo will come out from the folder, and we have some pop-ups of some UI cards of the songs. So we can easily create this, but I didn't know how to explain this to Claude. So what I did, I downloaded this from Pinterest and I just gave it to Gemini and I asked fully analyze this motion graphics and give me a prompt to recreate this, and also tell me what assets do I need for this. So assets are the things that you saw in the motion graphics, the folder, the Spotify logo, and all these UI cards that pop up from the folder. So I asked what kind of assets do I need. So now Gemini gave me a breakdown and also gave me what assets as 3D models we need. So we need the folder container, we need a Spotify token or Spotify logo, we need a cursor and UI cards, and it also gave us the prompt. And after that we have the prompt for the video generation. So it says that a 3D motion graphics animation, dark UI, a glassy style, glowing green frosted glass folder. So this is an explanation of the video that we have to just give this to Claude, so Claude can understand that it needs to create this video for us. But first we need to create all of these 3D assets and then give it to also Claude so Claude can use them. So what I did, I came to ChatGPT and I gave all the prompts here, and I got this for the Spotify token or logo, and then I created this cursor, and then I gave this prompt to have some kind of UI cards that pops up from the folder, and I get this one downloaded. And after that I created this folder with ChatGPT. Now all you have to do is to come to your project and you see there's a public folder, so you have to open it. Obviously there's nothing in it, it's empty, and you need to put all of your assets here. So I just put everything here, and as you can see we have this cursor, we have the folder container, we have the Spotify token and UI cards. Now we can go to Claude, give the prompt and tell Claude that use this and create the same motion graphic for us. Alright, now I'm telling Claude to check the public folder, there are assets, use them and create a 3D motion graphic animation. And this is exactly what I got from Gemini. This is the prompt for the video. And now let's just hit enter, and Claude will start looking at the project, understand the skills, understand how remotion wants to create the video, and it will use our assets from the public folder, and at the end it will create the video for us. Alright, here you see that it could see all of these from the public folder, the Spotify token, the cursor, the UI cards and the folder container. Alright, now it is asking us for a permission, and this is the whole project. You see this is a line of codes that Claude generated, and now remotion will turn these codes into a video. So yeah, let's go up and you will see all of these. Yeah, this is the whole code, and it is exactly 432 lines of code that will be turned into a video. So now let's say that yes, go ahead and do that, and now it will start to implement it, and then after that it will give us the project. Again, now it's asking for some permissions. Go ahead. Obviously you can check what are these permissions. So now it was only working on the frame per second and the duration of the video. Alright, now the project has been finished and it is asking us to give a permission to run this command npm run dev. So when we run this, we can see the project. So let's just say yes, you can run it. And now it will open up a new page, and this is again the same canvas for remotion, but this time we have our video generated. So we can click on play and we can see what Claude made for us. Yeah, that's very good. It is a simple graphic design with a simple prompt, but obviously you can work on your prompt and make it like more professional in order to get better videos or motion graphics. Alright, the project has been finished, and you see it says that the animation is ready. I created a 3D motion graphic and it is now running on this local host. So if you click, it will again take you to your web browser, and it is now giving us some information about the project itself. And now if you go back to your browser, from here you see the file. If you click on render, now go to the video and click on render video. Now it will start rendering the video, make it as MP4 file and put it inside your project. So here it says starting the job, and now he's working to make this motion graphic as an MP4 video. Alright, now the project has been rendered, and if we go back to our the root project, you see that you have an out folder, and if you open it you can see your video as MP4 file. So we can open it here and look at it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Now you can use Remotion with Claude Code in order to create high quality motion graphics or videos. And if you are a motion graphist yourself, you can use this to leverage your work and save times building your projects. If you are serious about learning AI, automation, and AI agents, then definitely check out my school community. The link to it is down in the description. Inside this community, I'll teach you everything about AI automations, AI agents, and AI tools. So definitely check it out. I would be happy to see you inside my school. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, just give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be posting more videos like this. And if you have any questions or any idea, just leave it down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.